Now, I want you to know about omega-3 fats, like in fatty fish, like salmon. This fish reduces all-cause mortality, like everything. It just decreases the risk of premature death from everything. Because omega-3 fats enhance cell membrane function all over the body. Cold water tuna once a week has been shown to slow the heart rate, but it speeds up the heart's ability to reset itself. So it results in decreased sudden cardiac death, which is one of the major causes of premature death throughout the world. It also enhances the serotonergic nervous system. You've heard of the SSRI drugs, right, that everyone is on? Well, fish oil does the same sort of thing, which you can take as supplements if you don't like fish. There's a 44% reduction in hot flashes with adequate fish oil. Now, another big player that you should know about is vitamin D. Women aren't getting nearly
I'm going to paint you!
drastically.
And I'm going to paint you guys! I'm going to paint you!
Now, research
I'm going to paint you guys!
These guys are like red hot vitamin D.
I'm going to paint you! I'm going to paint you hard! I'm going to paint you hard!
And I want to give you a number to think for. I want you to go to your doctor and get this drawn. Your blood vitamin D level should be 52 nanograms per milliliter. And if it is, that cuts the risk of breast cancer in half. To get that level, you need at least 1,000 international units of vitamin D per day from supplements. The RDA is 400 IU, so it's woefully low.